Hello and welcome, future chemists, to an exciting journey through the world of alkanes. Today, in our Class 11 Chemistry session for G Advanced, we are diving deep into the fascinating properties of these fundamental organic compounds. We'll start with the basics, then gradually build up our understanding, tackling medium, hard, and finally, the most challenging aspects. Get ready to explore why these simple molecules are so vital. Let's begin our exploration with the easy level, understanding the fundamental characteristics that define alkanes. First, let's define alkanes. They are saturated hydrocarbons, meaning they only contain single bonds between carbon and hydrogen atoms, following the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Think of methane, ethane, or propane. These simple structures dictate their basic physical properties. For example, their state at room temperature changes with molecular weight. C1 to C4 are gases, C5 to C17 are liquids, and higher alkanes are solids. This transition is a direct result of increasing intermolecular forces. Next, let's look at their physical and chemical behaviors. Boiling and melting points increase with molecular weight because of stronger intermolecular forces. Alkanes are also less dense than water and are nonpolar, which means they don't mix with water but dissolve well in other nonpolar solvents. Chemically, alkanes are quite unreactive, earning them the name paraffins. However, they readily undergo combustion, releasing significant energy, making them excellent fuels, and can participate in substitution reactions under specific conditions. Now, let's test your understanding with a few practice questions. Take your time to recall the definitions and properties we just covered. These questions will help solidify the foundational concepts of alkane properties before we move on to more complex topics. Good luck, and think critically about each option. Ready to deepen your knowledge? Let's move to the medium level, where we'll explore these properties in greater detail and uncover more reactions. At the medium level, we delve deeper into physical properties. Boiling points increase with chain length due to larger surface area for van der Waals forces. However, branching reduces this surface area, leading to lower boiling points for branched isomers. Melting points generally increase with molecular weight, and straight-chain alkanes often pack better in a crystal lattice, giving them higher melting points. Remember, alkanes are less dense than water and are strictly nonpolar, meaning they dissolve only in other nonpolar solvents, a concept summarized by like dissolves like. Next, let's look at their key chemical reactions. Combustion is crucial. Alkanes burn completely in excess oxygen to produce CO2 and water, releasing massive amounts of heat, which is why they are vital fuels. Incomplete combustion, with limited oxygen, yields toxic carbon monoxide or soot. We also have substitution reactions, specifically free radical halogenation, where UV light or heat causes hydrogen atoms to be replaced by halogens. This reaction proceeds via a three-step mechanism: initiation, propagation, and termination. Two more important reactions are isomerization and pyrolysis. Isomerization converts straight-chain alkanes into branched isomers using catalysts like UlCl3 and HCl. This process is essential in the petroleum industry for improving the octane number of gasoline. Pyrolysis, or cracking, involves heating large alkanes to high temperatures without oxygen, breaking them down into smaller alkanes and alkenes. This is a fundamental process in refining crude oil to produce gasoline and valuable petrochemical feedstocks. These transformations highlight the industrial significance of alkanes. Now it's time for some medium-level practice questions. These questions require a slightly deeper understanding of the trends and reactions we've just discussed. Think about the reasons behind the observed properties and the mechanisms of the reactions. Use your conceptual understanding to arrive at the correct answers. Pause if you need more time, and let's check your grasp of these concepts. Alright, it's time to step up our game. The hard level awaits, where we'll analyze complex theories and connections. At the hard level, we analyze physical properties through the lens of intermolecular forces. Alkanes exhibit only weak London dispersion forces, which are instantaneous dipole-induced dipole interactions. Boiling points are highly sensitive to surface area. Branching drastically reduces this, leading to lower boiling points. Melting points, however, depend on both intermolecular forces and crystal packing efficiency. Straight-chain alkanes often pack better, but highly symmetrical branched alkanes can also achieve efficient packing, sometimes resulting in higher melting points despite lower boiling points. This distinction is crucial for understanding their phase behavior. Let's dive deeper into free radical halogenation. The mechanism involves initiation, propagation, and termination steps. Crucially, the reactivity of halogens follows F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, and the reactivity of CH bonds for abstraction is 3 degrees greater than 2 degrees greater than 1 degree. This means tertiary hydrogens are most easily removed. Chlorination shows low selectivity, producing a mixture of products, while bromination is highly selective, strongly favoring substitution at the most substituted carbon. This difference in selectivity has significant implications for organic synthesis, allowing for targeted product formation in bromination. Understanding combustion also involves thermodynamics. Alkanes release substantial energy during combustion, quantified by the enthalpy of combustion, delta-Hc. Its magnitude increases with carbon number. Branched alkanes generally have slightly lower, less negative, delta-Hc values per mole than straight-chain isomers, indicating marginally greater stability. We also explore conformations, the different spatial arrangements due to C-to-C bond rotation. Ethane has staggered, most stable, and eclipsed, least stable, conformations due to torsional strain. Butane introduces steric strain with gauche and anti-staggered forms. Finally, catalytic reforming is a key industrial process that converts straight-chain alkanes into branched or aromatic compounds, significantly boosting the octane number of gasoline and reducing engine knocking. Time for the hard-level practice questions. These questions demand a thorough understanding of the detailed mechanisms, the nuances of physical property trends, and the theoretical underpinnings of alkane reactions. Apply your knowledge of selectivity, conformational analysis, and industrial processes. These are designed to challenge your analytical skills and prepare you for JEE Advanced. Take your time, analyze each option carefully, and aim for precision. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? Welcome to the hardest level, where we explore the competitive depth, engineering insights, and cutting-edge aspects of alkane properties. At the hardest level, we delve into advanced free radical chemistry. The selectivity versus reactivity debate in halogenation is explained by Hammond's postulate. Chlorination, an exothermic process, has an early transition state resembling reactants, leading to low selectivity. Bromination, an endothermic process, has a late transition state resembling the stable alkyl radical, resulting in high selectivity for 3 degrees hydrogens. This fundamental principle dictates product distribution. For pyrolysis, a complex radical chain reaction, the product distribution, alkanes, alkenes, hydrogen, is meticulously controlled by temperature, pressure, and catalyst type, with catalytic cracking favoring gasoline components and thermal cracking maximizing alkene yields. Let's extend conformational analysis. Beyond torsional and steric strain, we consider angle strain, particularly relevant in cycloalkanes. Understanding these strains explains molecular geometries and relative stabilities. Industrially, alkanes are the bedrock. Petroleum refining involves fractional distillation, followed by cracking and reforming to optimize fuel quality. The octane number, a critical measure of fuel's anti-knocking ability, is boosted by branching and aromatization. This engineering insight is vital. The environmental impact is also paramount. Alkane combustion produces CO2, a greenhouse gas, and incomplete combustion yields toxic CO and soot, posing significant health and ecological challenges. The synthetic utility of alkanes, though limited directly, is immense indirectly. Free radical halogenation serves as the gateway to introduce functional groups, transforming inert alkanes into versatile synthetic intermediates. For example, a halogenated alkane can then undergo substitution or elimination to form alcohols, amines, or alkenes. Furthermore, alkanes are indispensable as nonpolar solvents in various chemical processes due to their inertness. Their spectroscopic properties are also crucial for characterization. Infrared spectroscopy reveals CH stretching and bending vibrations, offering clues about the presence of methyl and methylene groups. Nuclear magnetic resonance, both superscript 1H NMR and superscript 1 superscript 3C NMR, provides detailed structural information by differentiating protons and carbons in distinct chemical environments, allowing chemists to precisely identify and confirm alkane structures. The legacy of alkanes extends from ancient natural gas seeps to modern petrochemical complexes, fueling global economies and driving technological advancements. Their impact chain is profound, from raw crude oil to diverse products like plastics, medicines, and fuels. The continuous research into cleaner combustion technologies, more efficient cracking catalysts, and sustainable alternatives underscores their ongoing significance. Understanding alkane properties is not just about chemistry, it's about comprehending a fundamental pillar of modern civilization, its benefits, and its environmental responsibilities. Mastering these concepts is essential for any aspiring chemical engineer or scientist. Here are the first 5 hardest level practice questions. These questions are designed to challenge your deepest understanding of alkane chemistry, requiring you to apply complex theories, analyze reaction mechanisms, and critically evaluate industrial processes and environmental implications. Think like a researcher or an engineer. Consider all factors, from thermodynamic stability to kinetic control. Each question probes a specific high-level concept. Take your time, draw structures if necessary, and arrive at the most precise answers. And here are the final 5 questions for the hardest level. Continue to push your analytical boundaries. These questions might involve synthesizing information from multiple concepts, predicting outcomes based on advanced principles, or interpreting experimental data. Remember the nuances of selectivity, conformational energy landscapes, and the interplay between structure and reactivity. Your ability to tackle these problems demonstrates a comprehensive mastery of alkane properties, preparing you not just for GE Advanced, but for future scientific endeavors. Give them your best shot. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of the properties of alkanes, from the basics to the most advanced concepts. I hope this journey has been enlightening and has strengthened your foundation in organic chemistry for GE Advanced. For more such comprehensive educational content, practice problems, and expert guidance, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for continuous learning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep excelling. See you next time.